My name is Sarah. Today is a busy day for me. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining. I get out of bed and go to the kitchen. My family is awake too. My children are getting ready for school. My husband is getting ready for work. I help my children. I make breakfast for them. We eat together. Breakfast is simple. We eat bread and drink milk. After breakfast, my children go to school. My husband goes to work. I clean the house. I wash the dishes. I am busy, but I am happy. I love my family. After cleaning, I feel a little tired, but today is a special day. I have a special plan. I want to make a special dinner. Tonight is a special night. My husband works very hard. He is often tired when he comes home. I want to do something nice for him. I want to cook his favorite meal. His favorite meal is spaghetti. He loves spaghetti with meat sauce. I feel excited when I think about it. I want to see him happy. I want him to feel proud of me. Cooking a special dinner is a way to say I love you. I am not a professional cook, but I cook with love. Love is the best ingredient. I feel happy when I plan this surprise. It is a good plan. A simple dinner, but a special dinner. Now, I need to go to the market. I need to buy food for the dinner. I make a shopping list. A list helps me remember everything. On my list, I write pasta, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and meat. These are for the spaghetti sauce. I also write down some vegetables for a salad. I like fresh vegetables. I take my bag and my list. I walk to the market. The market is not far from my home. It is a nice day. I see many people at the market. I look at my list. First, I buy the vegetables. I buy red tomatoes and green lettuce. The vegetables look fresh. Then, I go to buy the meat. I ask for good meat for the sauce. I check my list again. I need pasta. I find a good brand of spaghetti. I put everything in my bag. My bag is heavy now. I pay for the food. I feel happy with my shopping. I walk back home. I am ready to cook. I am back in my kitchen. It is time to cook dinner. I take everything out of my bag. I put the food on the table. First, I wash my hands. Then, I wash the vegetables. I wash the red tomatoes. I wash the green lettuce. I cut the vegetables. I cut the onions and the garlic. I am careful with the knife. Now, I start cooking the sauce. I put a pot on the stove. I cook the meat. The meat smells good. I add the onions and garlic. I stir everything together. Then I add the tomatoes. The sauce is red and beautiful. The kitchen smells wonderful. It smells like a happy home. While the sauce cooks, I boil water for the pasta. I put the spaghetti in the boiling water. I stir the pasta so it does not stick. I stir the sauce too. Cooking is fun. I love the smells and the colors. The dinner is almost ready. The pasta is cooked. The sauce is perfect. Now I set the table. I want the table to look special. I put a clean cloth on the table. I set 2 plates, 2 forks, and 2 knives. I put glasses for water. I also have a small candle. I light the candle. The light is soft and warm. It feels very cozy. My husband comes home. He looks tired. But then he sees the table. He smells the food. He smiles. A big, happy smile. We sit down to eat. I put the spaghetti on his plate. I add a lot of sauce. He takes the first bite. He closes his eyes. He says, "This tastes so good. I feel so happy. I feel proud." He loves the dinner. We eat and talk. We talk about our day. It is a perfect moment. The dinner is over. We are full and happy. We clean the dishes together. Tonight I learned something. Simple moments are important. A busy day can end with a happy moment. Cooking with love makes people happy. It is not about making a fancy meal. It is about the love you put into it. Spending time with family is the best part of the day. A simple dinner can become a special memory. I am happy I could make my husband smile. This is what makes a house a home: love and care. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.